Demo for La Independiente platform. First of all, we'd like to show you how the main page looks. On the top, there is a reference to the assistant agent that has its own section. Links to the tips and community sections of the platform can be visualized contained within the image frames, followed by quotes gathered by the team on what Crowdworkers say and a box to join the community, which is the first option to use the platform. At the bottom of the main page, you can see both the information about the Independiente initiative and below the option to write a comment and send it as if it were an email in order to communicate and give feedback to the team. Let's start with the registration section, which is the second option to use the platform. Within this pop-up, the crowd worker must indicate in the specific boxes the following information: their name, their selected username, an email, and their date of birth. They must also select their nationality from a drop-down. These data entries are not validated for now, therefore, it is only necessary that they comply with the request. Once these first fields are filled in, a password and its confirmation are indicated. As shown, these are protected visually at the time of registration. On the bottom of the form, they should indicate their gender, and they must check the box to accept the terms of the platform and privacy policy in order to complete the registry. Of course, both links to these documents are available for each crowd worker to access and read before checking the box. Finally, by clicking on the Register button, the system will safeguard the information. Once the registration is completed, the crowd workers gain access to enter the platform by giving their username and password. Once they are logged in, they are able to see their profile, the community section, and also make use of the conversational assistant we have developed. First, let me show you the community section. Here, it is possible to post comments about the experiences that users want to share. In this section, there are two fields within the Add a Comment frame. The crowd worker's comment is published once they are filled in and by clicking on the Publish button. To prove success, the message comment added is displayed. They only have to select OK to return to the previous section. In case a user wants to make additional comments, selecting the clear button which displays the message the fields were deleted and then selecting OK leaves the fields blank once again. The posted comments can be seen immediately in the frame above. The lower part of this section shows information on what the workers have done to highlight the importance of collective work. The team believes that we're building on the shoulders of giants, such as We Are Dynamo, and we want to showcase those efforts for community organization. After logging in with their username and password, the crowd workers can access the About section, where the conversational assistant is placed. To interact with it, users can enter a question in the text box. The first example shows the question someone who works in Toloca and MTurk. When pressing enter, the process of searching for information is performed and then places an answer in the mainframe, highlighting the information of the users with similar characteristics to what was requested. As it was proposed for this prototype, the information sought by the type of question is done in a database. In the second example, the assistant is instructed to search for information about how to make online sales. Once again, the search process is carried out, but this time the information is searched by the OpenAI package, until the assistant agent provides with the corresponding answer. Lastly, in a third example, the assistant agent is asked for someone who is a university professor. And again, the search for information is in the database, so quickly the assistant agent provides the answer. Finally, we'd like to show what happens when the crowd workers log out. When they click on the button, neither the communities nor the About Pages sections, such as the comments box or the conversational agent, are visible, as users must be registered and logged into the platform in order to use these features. This is the end of La Independiente demo. This is our bet to provide crowd workers in Latin America with resources and communities in their language. Let's remember that a better future in collaborative work can only be achieved if key aspects such as transparency and developmental opportunities are incorporated into the tools available to collective workers. Let's build a better future for AI hand in hand with the women who are training the technological promise of our time.